Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add Shopify domain to Business Suite. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify account and on the another tab, open Facebook Business Setting page. Open Facebook Business Setting page. On the left corner, you will see the menu bar. Click on the Brand Safety button. Click on the Brand Safety button, and after clicking on it, click on the Domains button. Click on the Domains button. Now click on Add button. Click on Add button. Now click on Create a New Domain button. Now after clicking on Create a New Domain button, click on the Add Name of Domain and copy the URL from your Shopify store and paste it here. On the bar of Add Name of Domain, copy the URL from Shopify and paste it here. Then copy the meta tag and go to Shopify admin page. After going there, click on Online Store button and then click on Themes button. After clicking Themes button, click on the Actions button and click on Edit Code button. After clicking Edit Code, click on the Theme.liquid button. Now, after clicking Theme.liquid, paste the meta tag under head and click on the Save button. The meta tag that you have copied earlier from Facebook Business Setting page, paste it here under head and click on the Save button. Go to Business page again and click on Verify Domain, and it is verified. Now go to Shopify page and click on Settings button. Now click on the Domains button. Now copy the online store name. After copying the online store name, go to Business Settings page and click on the Add button. After clicking on the Add button, click on the Create a New Domain page. Create a New Domain button. Now paste the name here that you have copied earlier from your Shopify page. Paste the name here. Now next step is to copy the meta tag. After copying the meta tag, go to your Shopify page. Click on Online Store. Click on Themes button. Now click on the Edit Code button. Click on the Theme.liquid button and paste the meta tag and save. Now go to Business page and click in Verify Domain button, and it is verified. Go to Shopify and click on the Settings button. Click on the Domains button. After clicking on Domains, click on the Store Name button. And now click on the Set as Redirect button. And here you are done. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.